बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a most beautiful button craft ideas. Button recycling ideas. These are very amazing and very unique, incredible, recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are super unique and most beautiful button art and craft centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. I hope so you enjoyed these button craft ideas. So if you want different other kind of videos about different craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon. These are the most amazing and super incredible button craft ideas for you guys. You recycle them, these are very stunning, very unique and very pretty collection for you guys. Also you enjoy these button craft ideas. These are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. You must try these. This button craft at your home. And so guys, keep remember me in your prayers and keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So think positive, be positive and keep me in your prayers. These are very latest and very amazing ideas for you guys. So follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique button art and craft ideas for you guys. So take care, be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.